Now we'll give it the illusion that we're playing an intense game. We'll add some animation to it and make it good. So once I click here, we can add a keyframe. Let's just go to frame 60 and add keyframes for all of them. So if we use the hotkey F6, it'll add keyframes for us and extend the frames. It'll add frames in between. But I've noticed that when I select the red paddle, it also selects the score. So we don't want that. We want everything on a separate layer. So let's go ahead and fix it. We'll add a new layer, and we'll name this one the red paddle. We'll change this one to score. So if we double click, we'll just add score, and we'll delete this red paddle from there. Make sure you deselect everything and select just the red paddle, and make sure it's on this keyframe as well, because if not, it'll add on that keyframe. So deselect, select just the red paddle, and delete. And now we'll add the red paddle to this layer. Change this to red paddle. And then we'll go to our library and add the red paddle. And we'll add a keyframe at the end too. So now let's begin our animation, now that we have everything set up. So here on the ball, we'll start with the ball. Alright, let's add some animation. So with the ball layer selected, what we'll do is we'll add a motion tween. Make the ball move. So now you see we have this light blue, and with our playhead we can select which frame we want. So let's go ahead and select, I don't know, frame 4, and we'll add a keyframe. So we'll insert keyframe, and we'll move the ball. We'll just bounce it down here, add a second keyframe, move the playhead, add a second keyframe, and move it up. But look, it's looking like our player, pretty much the May player, is going to miss. So what we'll do is we'll make the blue paddle move as well. So now let's go ahead, and right before the blue gets up there, to make it look realistic, we'll add a keyframe here, insert keyframe, and we'll move the blue paddle up. So using the up arrow, I'll just move it up with the playhead. Let me make sure so we need to move it up a little bit more. That looks about right. And now let's add a classic tween to this. You can see we've done that. And then you do that throughout the entire video. And once your person scores, we can add the cheering sound and then some text to show that we've won. So I'll show you that in the next video.